For more on this, we can cross to our correspondent, Nick Holdsworth in Berlin. Hello to you, Nick. Tell us a little bit more about this case.
These are two very well-known TV and film personalities. Colleen Fernandez, a Spanish actress, aged 44, and Christian Ullmann, 50, a TV presenter, comedian, producer and actor, extremely well-known in Germany. They divorced last year. They'd lived until last year on the Spanish island of Mallorca, but mainly worked in Germany. And after their divorce, Colleen Fernandez claims that she found evidence stretching back 10 years of deep fake videos of her, of fake social media sites claiming to be her, and she suspects that her husband, Christian Ullmann, was responsible for that. And she went to the weekly Der Spiegel to talk about that, and that sparked a media storm and a huge controversy that has pulled in the Justice Minister, Stephanie Hubig, and as you've just mentioned, 10,000 people, most of them women, I understand, last weekend demonstrating against deep fake attacks on women at the Bamberg Gate. Now, this is very interesting because some German media newspapers initially did not cover this. The Tagesspiegel, a daily newspaper known to be a very serious and reliable source of journalism, even ran an op-ed saying this is all hearsay, this is a one-sided story and we're not going to cover it. They have inevitably been pulled into coverage. Now, that allegation of hearsay, of it being a one-sided story, is the basis for Christian Ullmann, who has not commented in public about this. It's a basis for his lawyer taking action against Der Spiegel, saying that this is one-sided, it's all based upon the word of his ex-wife, and his basically being completely maligned in public. And it's important to note that Christian Ullmann has not been charged with anything. There are no court proceedings in Germany, although there are court proceedings in Spain, because Miss Fernandez says that Spain offers much, much better protection against these sorts of attacks. And that's what has sparked debate in Parliament about bringing in new laws to protect people against these sorts of attacks in Germany, where that protection is not currently available for the production of such material. The dissemination, that is protected. If you disseminate deepfakes, you do face the law. But production of deepfakes, no, German law doesn't cover that at all so far.